Hey everybody, Mike Saint-Amour here, also known as Precise26, and in this video I am going to show you a awesome opportunity here to make money. This is absolutely brilliant. You don't want to miss this move, and when I say you don't want to miss this move, I don't mean jump in right this minute, because for one, the market is currently closed, yes, and also you need to wait for the break. So let's make sure you understand, wait for the break, set your pending orders below the break. Anyhow, getting started. USD, Japanese yen, we are looking at the weekly chart, and we can see that we have gone up past the resistance area here, come down here, and made our little wedge over here. So technically this could easily just continue going bull. However, this is the USD Japanese yen, so when this drops, it's very likely gold will rise, and I do believe gold is on its way up as well. It's showing a lot of strength on the bull side, and this is showing a lot of weakness on the bear side. So I'm definitely going for a break on the down. And to explain this, we will start with the price, and we can see that we are touching resistance right now. We have all the bounces we need. Everything is good to go. We just need the break. That's all we need, and we're good to go. Half a box to one box below the break. One box is safer. Remember that. Some people got caught in recently with a half a box. Don't do that if you don't want to get caught in accidentally. If you're okay with getting caught in accidentally, then you can do half a box. It's up to you what you decide is more risky or not. Some people might go a box and a half below. I wouldn't go as low as that, but you know, just a box for me. Even a half a box sometimes. This one, I think a half a box would be okay, but you be the judge of that. Anyhow, pending order below this support line. So we have this, what is this? Is the 50 moving average, okay? So price is now below the 50 moving average. It's also, the average is sloping and starting to point downward, hopefully. It looks like it's doing that. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. But what's really a good sign is, one is the RSI has broken resistance already. This has not. You can expect this to follow very soon. The MFI does not have a resistance of the sort. However, it did have some kind of resistance here that it might be bouncing or breaking. It's hard to say. Maybe slightly breaking. Can't really say yet. But what's really strong, even more so than the RSI, is this RVI, the Relative Vigor Index. And this is the index that's going to help us with our trend, to know how strong our trend is. So we're looking here, and when this is above 0, that's really good. When it's below 0, it's really bad, right? So it's for the bulls down, it's for the bears, or sorry, the bears down and the bulls up. So we have just broken past the 0 level, and we've broken the support line. This is a very strong signal for me. If I was impulsive and I couldn't control myself, yeah, I would jump in right now. But every time I've ever lost money, almost like literally 95% of the time when I've lost money, it's always been due to situations like this, where it looks just so perfect, and then I jump in and then it just doesn't do it. So don't get in early. Make sure you wait for the break, okay? This is on a weekly chart frame. So to trade this, we're going to go down to maybe the daily. I think a daily is a good one, or you could do the 4 hour, I think. Maybe. No, you have to do the daily on this one so you can see the whole pattern. So we could see we could easily get a rejection here and start going up. So you got to watch out for that. All right. A pending order below the break, one box below on the 4 hour chart should do the job. On the 4 hour chart, we can see that the MFI has broken support, and we can see that the RSI seems to have broken support as well, it looks like, if I'm not mistaken here. Looks like it, yep. And the RVI, similar situation as the daily, we're below 0. So that's great. That's absolutely great. So we're definitely going to trade off the daily here. one box below, or wait for the candle to close on the daily chart after the break. As for a target, we can look at the weekly for this. So we got some pretty clear targeting here. We could easily target this line here, or we can target this line here. It's definitely probably gonna struggle at this line for sure. Maybe not so much this line. They might intersect by the time goes, and then they're both right together. So that's a good indication that price could easily go there. We also have our Fibonacci levels. So we're gonna come from up here, and we're gonna bring it down here, and we're going to zoom in on the weekly, and we're gonna see that we just passed a Fibonacci level easily, the 50% right here. So definitely on the break here, we're gonna easily see the 38.2% Fibo here. Okay, and look at that. Beautiful. Looks like a candy wrapper. It's waiting for us. That target is a good target in my mind. So we'll say 9600 or 96.00 looks like the target. Anyhow, I think that's about all I can do with this one. Once again, it's an absolutely great opportunity. Do not miss out. Set your pending orders. Don't go crazy with it. You know, keep your risk management in mind, and don't jump in too early. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because I'm sure other people would love to see this. They just need to see it. Anyhow, have a great day and good luck.